Hello Libra, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, and I am here today with your July 1st through the 15th love guidance. Thanks for being here. If you are new, I hope that you really like or resonate with this. Please keep in mind that I am a spiritual healer, an earth angel, and a master teacher. So when I speak to your higher self. You do have to be spiritual. That is a requirement to listen, because a lot of things that you may hear during these readings are for those of you who are tapped in and you're awakened. So please also keep that in mind. So if it does not resonate with you, that could be a reason. Also, give it time to play out these messages. It does take time, okay? Now, before I get started, I just want to say that I offer extended versions of this video. So if you want to get an extended exclusive video where you can watch as much as you want the deeper depths behind this reading and uncover some secrets about what's going on in your love life, specifically during this time frame, there is a link down below in the description box. So check the description box out, guys, and go ahead and purchase that if you want to go deeper in this message. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to look at two things: how you and a love interest feel about each other and how you both see one another. Let's get started. So Libra, how are you feeling during this time frame? Okay, you guys could be wanting to bring up the past a lot. A lot of things about the past could be coming up, but be careful not to bring it up too much, because it's not going to work on this person right now, okay? So if you're bringing up things that already took place with this person, this is not going to be a good thing. This person may push you down or push some of these things down that you're speaking about, because for some of you, this is false accusations, and this person may be tired of hearing it, or maybe this person is hearing it for the first time and it's not true. It could be things about this person that you're bringing up that they have done, or things that they have said, or things that they have showed you in the past. But this person, for some reason, feels like this is false, this is not accurate, this is not the right perception that you have of them. So whatever you're bringing up about something they used to do or something they said in the past is anything from yesterday and before. So whatever it is that you're bringing up, you just have to be careful with this at this time, because you could be worried or contemplating a lot about your love connection during this time. You could be in your head about your love life a lot during this time, okay? And wondering if the seeds you planted will grow and prosper with this person or not, or will it all come crumbling down this month? Because there's so much tension in the room with you and this person. There's so much tension around this connection all the time. And so you may not be feeling the same toward love like you were before. There is something about the situation that makes you kind of iffy about it or questioning your person of interest. This person feels lost in the connection with you. They really don't know exactly where they are standing with you. They're trying to figure out a new method to communicate with you, because they can see that the way that they've tried to communicate with you in the past is leading to you going back to the past. So they want you to have a new perception of them. They want you to see them in a new light, to see who they are right now. They kind of feel like you could be stuck in like a few years ago, still with the same outlook on them, still with the same perception of them. But this person is like spiritually evolving and growing out of a way of being, and they want to communicate in a better way with you so that you can know really the truth about how they feel right now, how they're coming right now, and that they don't want you to think that things are still going to be the way that it was. So this person may be focused on standing their ground when it comes to anything about the past or anything that you're bringing up toward them, okay? This person is in an energy of not allowing negativity from you to get to them, okay? They feel like that's how they're receiving it, as negativity. When you speak about certain things, when you bring certain things up, they feel like it's you being negative. So they're not trying to let it get to them. This could be a really challenging time for this person in knowing that the past keeps coming up. And so this person could be challenging your ability to love and forgive. Like, will you forgive me for this? I am so sorry about this, but how can we move past this if you're going to keep bringing this up? So this person could be wanting to talk things out with you in an effort to prevent further discussions about a particular topic or a particular thing or situation that already happened. Now, how do you see this person you're dealing with? For some of you, this is your divine masculine or divine feminine we're talking about. You could be a male Leo, which I strongly feel like you're a male sorry, not Leo. Maybe you could be dealing with a Leo, but I feel like you're a male Libra watching for a female. I feel like I'm speaking to male Libra specifically, right? However, you can be a female Libra and still listen. It may or may not resonate with you, but the target seems to be the men. All right, so this seems like a twin soul connection. You're a perfect person, right? You're masculine, you're perfect feminine. It feels like with this energy, there is a lot of, your person is highly sexual. That's how you see them. You see them as a highly sexual individual. This person is really, 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 really into different things sexually, and which makes me feel like some of these things that you could be bringing up about the past has to do with sex or sexual relationships or affairs that this person had, or maybe rumors. Is something here that you're bringing up about this person's sex life or things that happened. Maybe this is someone who cheated on you in the past and you're bringing it up again. Whatever it is, it's like the way you see this person is you keep bringing something up and they're burning out the negativity and purifying their mind right now. You know that this person is trying to purify their mind and get over the past and all of the mistakes and things that happened in the past. This person's really looking within themselves and really understanding who they really are at the core. What are their desires? What is it that they really do need or want? This person is rejuvenating and balancing their spiritual sexual nature. So this could be a person who you may not be in connection. You may not be in close connection with this person. This could be a twin flame, a twin soul that you're at a distance with. But something about this particular time frame where you guys are able to connect telepathically and they're sending you telepathic messages. It's sexual energy that your person is sending to you. They are really attracted to you and really, really want to be all over you. It could be that, or it could be that this person maybe is just their energy, their sexual energy is so high. You could even catch them masturbating, to be honest with you. If you live around them or if you see them. But if you don't and you're at a long distance from each other and this is a twin soul that you connect with spiritually, then this person is sending you sexual messages and energy. They want to have experienced sex with you so much that you could probably feel this in the 5D. You could probably have sex with them in the 5D. So this is someone who is sending you a lot of sexual energy because what is happening with this person is I think that they're expanding their sexual identity right now. And so, but the way you may see it is that this sexual behavior that they have is not grounded or is aligned with their heart. This could be a person who is cheating right now. You could find that out, unfortunately, for some of you. You could find out a big situation is happening that you just were blind to it, maybe. You didn't realize. For others of you, this is about something that they did in the past that you're bringing up, them being promiscuous. For others of you, this could be about a major spiritual awakening regarding the level of sexuality and self-love that they are invested in right now. So this is a person who could be overindulging, could be trying to please themselves a lot more than what you're used to, or maybe you didn't know that this person was missing this. Maybe this is something that you two are missing in the connection. Maybe you two need more of that. Maybe this is someone who's more interested in other women right now or other men right now. This is a person that I don't know, it's like a different side to this person is coming out. All right. And I don't know, some of you may really love this energy. Some of you may be taking all of this energy in and really loving it. Others of you, this may not be something you love. This may be something devastating that you're finding out, or it could be something that really is hurtful about the past. It could be rumors that you're hearing that your person has a history of promiscuity. This person is promiscuous. This person, you're finding something is happening. Something is happening with someone in their sexuality, the person you're dealing with here. Some of you could be finding out that this person is interested in the same sex. I just have to call that out. Now, your person of interest and how they view you. How are they seeing you, Libra? This person sees you restoring and enhancing your memory about the past. So things are starting to come back to you about the past because you're asking them all these questions, right? So all these things are coming back up. You're starting to some of you are either putting 2 and 2 together, or something that happened with this person in the past, you're just remembering it, or something happened that makes you remember it, and they see you as bringing the past back up. For others of you, there's something about your past life. There's something about your past life that you're stepping back into a role that you played in your past life, or you're learning more things about who you were in your past life. Okay, so there's an interesting thing that's happening here, Libra, so please bear with me during this. There's an aspect of sexual energy in this current lifetime, something that's going on with your person, and you're going to know how this plays out in your individual life. And then on another hand, there's something about the divine nature of sex and connecting with a past life lover and a past life twin soul, and that's why all of this is coming back up about the past. Because it could be a good thing where you're connecting with who you were before. Or it could be a bad thing where you're bringing up things about the past and what this person did. So it could go either way, and it could go both ways, because 2 weeks is a lot of time for things to play out. So your person sees you overall connected to the past in some aspect. They see you as thinking logically, but you also have this big imagination too. So some of these things you could be bringing up to this person sounds like a bunch of lies, because your imagination is at play while you're trying to make logical decisions, and you may feel like you're right. You may feel like you sound right. You may feel like your argument is valid, or whatever it is that you're bringing up is validated, but it is not to this person, because your imagination is going a little too far into things that you don't really know too much about. So this person may be trying to temper you down or calm you down when it comes to like how you see them, right? Now, when it comes to the more good side of things, and if you guys are resonating with more of the positive things, and you're gonna know this by the 15th, right? Then this is a person who sees you connecting to Egypt. So some of you who, not all of you will connect with this part, but those of you who are African American or African or even Middle Eastern, even Middle Eastern, you guys who are listening, you may find a connection to me, to myself, and you're here listening, and for some reason your soul is resonating with something about listening to me, or you may know of my heritage, culture, that thing, and so you may resonate, and you may follow, you may support me, you may subscribe, because this connection that you have with me is really strong. You guys are connecting to Isis at this time, so you're understanding your connection to me. So you may be here, you may become a subscriber, you may really like or resonate with this. There is a connection that you're building, and guys, your person sees you. They know that you're doing this. So for some of you, you have a person that's finding out that you watch my videos, or you have someone that sees you researching about Egypt or African culture. You guys are realizing through something here who you really are, what you're connected to really. You may feel a deep soul resonance to me. And if I have made any kind of appearance to you, then I am here to open a channel of your higher mind and decode the memory of your deepest origin. That's what I am here to do for you. So your person sees this. Your person sees that I've made my appearance to you, right? And that you're here listening and you're taking in this information. So this could be a person who you may not think that they know that you're into this, but I think that they know that you're into this. They're starting to see things change about you. They know that you're connecting with a high power. They know that you're connecting with a deity at this time. So this person knows this, and so that's how they see you learning a lot of things. And this is causing you to think on a different level. See, that's what I'm saying. I have the type of energy that can, open you up, not only to yourself or where you come from or about anything dealing with this, but also to make you start thinking deeper about different things happening in your personal life and open you up to the truth about a lot of things. So your person could feel like, well, ever since you started listening to her, you've been coming at me with stuff, and you've been on a different level, and you've been thinking different, and you've been moving different, and you could be changing things up, Libra, and that's because it's supposed to happen like that. You're supposed to wake up, and that's why you're here. I want to go deeper, get the extended. Thanks.